Hi, this is the Alcatel One T10 Smart and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and click to yes I agree, be close and tap to OK. So after that, you'll see here information about your battery health, and in my case the battery is in a good condition, and also we got here more information like the battery health, just capacity, voltage, Android version, model of the device and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.